Hey everyone, winter is right at the corner, so Ankimo season is coming. I'm going to introduce you guys how to prepare my Ankimo. I got the fresh Ankimo is here. Usually, fresh Ankimo has a parasite worm, which causes stomachache, vomiting, and diarrhea. Some people say after cooking it's gonna be no problem, but to me I don't think so. I prefer clean as detailed as possible for the customer. Clean the paint for the texture. If it's still there after cooking, Ankimo is gonna be no smooth. And around the river there is a thin skin, so that one also take it out. Before cooking there's so many steps, but those detailed cleaning help us serving the customer tasty and safety dishes. After cleaning the skin, put the salt and leave it for 45 to 1 hour. Now 15 minutes passed. Ankimo looks like this. From now I'm going to wash this Ankimo with milk and sake. And one more time, wash with only sake. After washing, place it on the paper towel and dry it. Now I'm going to make the shape using the deli paper and aluminum foil. Now we're gonna steam it for 20 to 25 minutes. After steam, place them on the sheet pan. After taking the rough fiber, keep them in the refrigerator. After completely getting cold, it's ready for cutting and placing on the plate. Thank you for watching. I will post more video, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you.